Is moratorium under IBC a shield for the company or a restriction on creditors? Let us uncover the truth. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This presentation is brought to you by Synergy Business Advisors Noida, your trusted business mitra. Today, let us talk about one of the most powerful and misunderstood provisions of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, that is Section 14, the moratorium. The moment an insolvency application under Section 7, 9 or 10 is admitted by National Company Law Tribunal, Section 14 comes into effect. This provision declares a moratorium, a legal pause, to protect the corporate debtor during the corporate insolvency resolution process. Under this moratorium, no new suits can be initiated, pending civil proceedings are stayed, security interests cannot be enforced, assets cannot be transferred, and essential services must continue. The objective is simple: to preserve the company as a going concern and ensure an orderly resolution process. What exactly happens under Section 14? Under Section 14 of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016, upon admission of an application by the National Company Law Tribunal, the adjudicating authority declares a moratorium prohibiting: number 1, institution or continuation of suits or proceedings against the corporate debtor, including execution of judgment or orders. Number 2, transfer, encumbrance, alienation or disposal of the corporate debtor's assets. Number 3, enforcement or recovery of any security interest, including action under SIRP. Number 4, recovery of property by any owner or lessor in possession of the corporate debtor. Further, essential goods and services shall not be terminated or interrupted during the moratorium, subject to payment of current dues. The idea is very simple: keep the company running as a going concern while resolution is attempted. Now, let us talk about some practical myths, because what happens in real life is often different from what people assume. Myth number 1: all proceedings stop, including criminal cases. There is also a misconception that all legal proceedings, including criminal cases, stop during moratorium. In fact, Section 14 mainly states civil recovery actions. Criminal proceedings, check bounce cases, and fraud investigations generally continue. The moratorium protects the company from assets depletion, not from criminal liability. Myth number 2: moratorium means company is safe. Lastly, many believe that once moratorium is declared, the company is completely safe. In reality, moratorium is only a temporary protection to allow resolution. If no resolution plan is approved within the prescribed time, the company proceeds to liquidation. It is a breathing space for revival, not a permanent immunity. This is CIRP Praveen Agrawal thanking you for watching. I hope this presentation will be helpful. Please subscribe to the channel for more such business related videos. Thank you.